and today I'm gonna make some super delicious pancakes that are gonna blow your mind. So let's get started.
I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jemima mix.
I have 2 cups of the mix here, but now I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water. Mix until smooth. I have the mixture in the condiment bottles, and I am going to use some food coloring for some figures. I have ready 2 chocolate chips, 14 small pancakes, and 2 pretzels. Let's start arranging. I am going to arrange my caterpillar now. The first one, the caterpillar. This is going to be for a pig. I'm going to use for this pig 2 blueberries, 2 chocolate chips, 1 small pancake, 1 big pancake, and 2 small pancakes. This is just the beginning of making pancake figures, but there's more to come. Next video, we're gonna be doing shout out. So please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Give me a thumbs up and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!